Here's a picture that I saved for too long. Here's my credit card and keys, and the reason I won't find peace. Here's a song I could not complete for too long. Here's my pride and here's my shame.